questions in reasoning. Okay, so let's start with the first question, which is alphanumeric series question. So first, there is a series here. So there is a series here. So we are going to solve these questions. Okay, first one: which character is fifth to the left of the left of the 11th from the right hand? Right and 11th. So which is right and 11th, and then fifth to the left. So again, which is fifth. So we have to add 11 plus 5, 16. So 16th element from the left right hand. Okay, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 5, 3, 16 and 17. 17. Oh, 16. It is 16, right? So I'm sorry, which is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So D is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Now the second question. How many numbers are there in the series which are immediately preceded by a symbol? Preceded means before. Succeeded means after. So the number has to be followed by symbol. Like if it is a symbol, the number. So the symbol has to be succeeded by the number. Okay. So here um, we have 1, and then 2, then we have this. Okay, so correct option is 3. And next question is, if all symbols are removed, what will be the 10th character from the left? We have to remove all the symbols. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 symbols. So we have to remove all these symbols. Now we have to count from the left hand till the 10th character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 is the correct answer. We don't, but in the options there is no there is no option. So we have the correct answer is none of this. Okay. Next question, fourth question is, how many letters are there in the series which are immediately followed by a number? Okay, let me check. Okay. How many letters are there in the series which are immediately followed by a number? The letter has to followed by a number. So we have K8 1. Let me quick 1. Then M2 2. Then we have H1 3. Then we have E6. Then we have P3. So we have 5. So the correct answer is option 5. Option E, correct answer is 5. The next question is, which of the following does not follow the same pattern as others? Which of the following? K8T. K8T. It's a group. It is a group. Then H1R. H1R also a group. They are like how we can say, how to say this is like neighbors. They are in the same neighbors. Okay, then 9UF also, sorry, 9UF. Then we have UE6. Where is U? We have U here, but E here. See, so between U and E there is a gap. There is a one character, so it does not follow these three patterns. Then we will check this option also. Okay, G apostrophe Q. So it which is also following the same pattern, but the only one which is not following the pattern is UE6. Okay, so the correct answer is D. Now we are done with these questions, alphanumeric series. Now we are going to do syllogism questions. Okay. The first question is, all clip art tab all clip or tap, all tap or pot, and all pot or pan. So conclusion is some pan or clip, some clip is inside the pan, so some pan or clip is also correct answer. Some pot or clip, some pot or which is also correct answer. So the both conclusions are true. Okay. Now some day or night, some day, some day or night, and all night or noon, all night or noon, all noon or evening. Conclusion says some evening or day, some evening or day. So there in day, some day or noon, and some day or night, and all night or noon, so all night or all noon or evening. So there is a coincidence part, so which is correct. Some evening or day, which is correct. Some noon or not day, some noon or not day, but which is a negative sentence. But in the statements we don't have a negative statement, so here it says some noon or not day. We are not sure about which some noon or not day or not, so which is wrong. Then only few red or blue, only few red or blue, only few red or blue, and this is not. When it says only few, we can also say some red or not blue, because it surely mentions only few. Okay. This much red are blue, but this red are not blue, and all blue are green, all blue are green. Okay. Now conclusion says some red are green, some red are green. Yeah, it is possible. So correct. No green or red, but we don't have a relation. We don't know about the relation of red and green. So it says it is 100%. It is saying like it is 100%, but we are not sure, because we don't know about this, the relation between the red and green. So this is not true. So only the conclusion one is correct. Next question. Only Delhi is Mumbai. Only Delhi is Mumbai. We can also say this as all Mumbai or Delhi, which is Delhi. D. Only few Delhi is Kolkata. Only few. That means remaining few are not Kolkata. Only few are Kolkata, but remaining few Delhi are not Kolkata, which is not Kolkata. And no Chennai is Kolkata. No Chennai is Kolkata. The conclusion says few Delhi is not Chennai. Yes, we few Delhi are Kolkata. Those Kolkata are not Chennai. So it is true. All Delhi cannot be Kolkata. All Delhi cannot be Kolkata. Oh yes, it is. It says, but the statement itself says only few Delhi is Kolkata. When for only few Delhi is Kolkata, all Delhi cannot be. Never. So it is also true. Now the 10th question. Some A, some A are B, and all B are C, and all C are D. Some E are A, some E are A. The conclusion says all B are D. Yes, all B are D, which is correct. Some A are C, some A are C, which is also correct. So both statements, both conclusions are correct. Now we are done with the syllogisms. We are trying to solve this Chinese coding questions. Okay. How is skills coded in the given language? Where is skills? Skills is in this statement and this statement. There is also common interviews skills improve resume. Skills required experience job. Except the word skill, there is no common word in between these two lines. So we can directly say MEL is the correct answer. MEL is the correct answer. Now let's move to the another question. What is the code for job resume? Job resume. Where is job? Here is job. Then here also job. There is a resume, but there is no resume here. So we in between these two statements only job is the common word. So we can directly say GEX is the only common word. So we can say either this or this as our correct option, but we have to find out another word which is resume. There is a resume word word resume is in this statement and this statement. So we have interview skills improve, job offer rescue accepted. Except resume, there is no common word in these two statements, so we can directly say whichever in common in this coding, so that belongs to resume. Okay, we have tab. So this one is wrong, which is the correct option. How is interview coded? How is interview coded? We have interview just here only, so we have to find out the remaining. We have skills here and here, so MEL is not, sorry. So MEL is not the correct word, and ZOR. Then we have resume. Resume is TAB. We have to find out whether it is VIK or ZOR. But we have, okay, we have both. We have an interview word in the last statements, but those remaining words are interview and improve. We have improve and interview here also, so we cannot determine which one is. If if we are sure, we can directly say this either are, but there is no option here. But so we have to say cannot be determined. Okay. Now, if accepted experience is coded as uh, lineal, then which of the following is definitely true? Okay, LIN, which is experience. Experience is for LIN. So, YUL has to be accepted, right? Which is then which of the four accepted? Just wait a second. Experience. Alliance stand for experience, but YUL, YUL. We have YUL here, so accepted. YUL accept. Okay, YUL accepted is not here, so Alliance stands for experience, which is the correct option. Then, what is the code for improve resume? Resume we have here and here. There is only common word TAB. So either this or this. So and the next word is improve. Where is improve? Improve is here and here. So here we have common words VIK and ZOR, but we are not sure about this. So we can directly say cannot be determined. Okay. Now if 2 is added to each odd digit and 1 is added to each even digit in the numbers number 1, 5, 6, 4, 6, 5, how many numbers occur twice or more in number thus formed? 2 is added to odd digit. So 1 has to be 3, 5 has to be 7. 1 is added to each even digit. So 6 has to be 7, 4 has to be 5, 6 has to be 7, and 5 has to be 7. Am I right? 1, 3, 5, 7, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 7. So there is only one one number which is repeating more than twice. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. Then, how many such pairs are there in the word eternity, each of which has many letters between them in the word as they have between them in the English alphabetical series? We have eternity. Eternity. E means 5. E, e means 5. 20. So then again 5, 18, 14, 9, 20, and 25. So we have to look at the pair. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No. 21, 22. No. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 18, 19, 20. We found one pair. 18, 19, 20, 21. No. 14, 15. So there is only one pair. So the correct option is option C, 1. Okay. So uh, that's it, guys. So if you like this, I'll try to do the speed maths like quadratic approximations or number series, missing number series and wrong number series, and quadratic equations. So that we can if we practice it daily at least 5 to 10 questions, we can improve our speed, because we think when we understand these particular topics, we thought we can easily gain much scores from these topics. But when we actually come to the real examination, if we don't practice well, these are the topics which actually took a lot of time of yours. Okay. So to improve your speed, to gain much marks from these sections with a within a less time, we have to practice more and more. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.